what it makes. It's kind of wobbling there. That's one pull. $360. Fuck yeah. $360 at the wheel. My tuner was dead on with it. Dead fucking on. Yes. He said 360, 370, and this fucking thing made 360 on the first pull. It's been such a, I came such a long way, man. Stock turbo, hybrid turbo, now big turbo on just E30. Not even full 85, no aux fuel kit, just straight fucking E30. This is amazing right here. This is truly amazing. Alright, second pull, let's see what it's making. I'm happy with it. Alright, I wanted to pull over real quick, guys, because with this big turbo setup, it's been, you know, wait or whatever. Dyno's right down the street. I just pull over. But for this car, big turbo E30, full bolt-ons, all that shit, 360 at 5,500 RPM. Okay, so there was a total of 2 logs taken right here. 360 max power, RPM, whatever, max torque 360. So a 360 horsepower, 360 torque, and then so that was the first one, and then this was the second one. This is something I'm actually really extremely happy about. Just on E30 full bolt-ons, big turbo, blue turbo kit by Speed by Design, 2971R ATP turbo, whatever the fuck you want to call it. I don't care if it's dirty or whatever. I'm just happy about the numbers that I got. The next thing is gonna be aux fuel kit. So stay tuned.